So it's been a very flexible programme. It's allowed us to develop our technology in a way that was more realistic and more in keeping with what's needed for sustainable aviation.
What was quite helpful in this process was having regular communication with the Connected Places Catapult, whether it's about dissemination event, whether it's about the coming up paperwork or the deadlines or etc. They were always very supportive.
The TRIG programme has been very helpful to us at Ultima Forma. It's helped us to develop a new piece of technology, to build new relationships with industry, and it's been a very sort of supportive, collaborative environment as well.
I think it is really pushing the boundaries. It's really forward-looking in the type of activities it does fund. It's very nimble in the way that it interacts with the companies that are part of the cohort. So whatever support you need, you get.
The first thing is collaboration. It's really opened up doors for networking and getting to understand the work that is going on within the industry. And without the TRIG programme, we wouldn't have been able to commence this project with our friends now at Siemens Process Systems Engineering. And the funding has helped facilitate innovation that's really driven new technology forward in a time frame that wouldn't have been possible without it.
These early stage innovations that required funding were made possible by being part of the program. And not only that, the access to the network, as well as the expertise that the Catapult provided, were greatly of benefit, including the exposure through marketing that we're getting as a result of being in the program.
The application process was straightforward compared to many other schemes. The questions were straightforward, the forms were quite simple. There was a fast response to our questions to say whether we were funded or not, and then the project started quickly and ran in a condensed timescale.
The support is amazing, so I cannot complain about anything, so nothing missed from the TRIG team, from the finance to the project manager team, so everyone is really fully committed to support us in the best way that they can.
It opens the doors and for such possibility, and also the publicity material which TRIG is producing, that's also going to help us link up to more stakeholders.
Oh, I really enjoyed the study. I enjoyed we have a monthly coffee break catch-ups, and to connect with people and also hear about their programs and how they are progressing and what they're up to. It was really interesting.
So for us it's been the ability to have a funded project to help us develop our model, but really to also help work with an industry partner to get real data and ensure that we're developing the model in the right way so it can be used by future airports.
It has been quite seamless, to be honest. The team has provided us great support throughout the project. They've been in constant communication, and also we have had the opportunity to learn about the different projects that are going on through the Coffee Connector. So overall, I would say I really enjoyed.
To have a funded research project that examines something in that medium term, and something that is really quite cutting edge, I think, both in terms of the technology we're using, but also the topic of the research, has been a really valuable opportunity for us. I think that's something that actually makes the TRIG programme stand out in that respect.